Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock all fruits in Blox Fruits, guys. This is a Blox Fruits code that you can redeem right now in 2024, and it is going to unlock all Blox Fruit. And it is super simple. Like I said, it is a simple code that you can redeem in-game, and it's going to unlock all the fruits. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Make sure you follow all of these instructions. And as you can see, guys, list of Blox fruits. There's mythical, there's legendary, there's rare. I'm going to show you how to get all of them so you can get all of the mythical ones for completely free. Yeah, this is an absolutely awesome method. So here, as you can see, there is some absolutely awesome fruits that you can get for free. So you need to use your mobile phone and go to this website. So very important you do this on your mobile. Open up the internet and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So type it correctly, guys. If you need to, you can pause the video and just copy this down. But Robot Coupons is a codes website, and they have codes for some of your favorite games. They have video game codes. They have redeem codes. They have shopping codes. They have codes for pretty much everything, guys. But basically, you need to look for the Blox Fruits secret codes page. You can scroll down, or you can just type it in the top here, Blox Fruits secret codes. So this page has a list of different codes for Blox Fruits. You can get free money, premium fragments. But basically you can see here, unlock all fruits in Blox Fruits. And these codes are limited in number, but it is super simple. It will take you about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. So tap on show code. And you need to unlock your personal Blox Fruits code. Of course, this is a super desirable code and they are limited, so this limits one code per person. So you need to unlock code. I've already got mine. I've already unlocked all the fruits, so I'm going to cancel this. But you're going to see a new screen, and if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to pass a quick verification, which is completely free. Super simple, guys. You need to complete a couple of tasks. Just follow all of the instructions, and once you've done that, your code, your Blox Fruits code, will be revealed, and it'll unlock all fruits. So that is it, guys. This is the easiest and quickest and simplest method to unlock all fruits in Blox Fruits. Go to Robot Coupons, go to the secret codes page, scroll down, select your code, unlock your code, follow the instructions, and complete the verification, and then you can enter it in-game. And that's going to do it. So enjoy, guys. Smash that like button if you got your free fruits, and I'll see you in the next one.